While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies pick up speed. The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar had their own advantage fleeting trend to advance. Before we dive into Ethereum Classic Cost Forecast, let us examine a portion of the one-of-a-kind elements of Ethereum Classic. Be that as it may, they're actually proud a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange charges. One of the delegated wonders among crypto industry resources is Ethereum Classic, highlighted as etc., the local token in view of the Ethereum Classic cost expectation stage. With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital currencies appear to be administering the etc. blockchain world. According to cost examination and our own exploration, Ethereum Classic value forecast could address down towards $19, most extreme cost, toward the finish of this 1 year, despite the fact that in the momentary it might record a high of around $25, least cost. As per Ethereum Classic cost figure and own exploration, when 2024 methodologies, in the 5 years, we can see the etc. cost resting at the sign of $50, greatest cost, in the principal half. Ethereum Classic etc. value forecast is set to outperform the assumptions. By 2025, in the following 5 years, the Ethereum Classic value expectation will penetrate the sign of $69.98, which is its most extreme cost in the main half. As per cost conjecture and its specialized examination, the greatest cost in the main portion of Ethereum Classic etc. value forecast is set to scale to $128 following 5 years over the long haul. The Ethereum Classic value expectation is gauged to stretch around $25 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $33.07, the base cost is $22.487. The Ethereum Classic cost expectation for the month's end is $26.456. However, Ethereum Classic etc. cost forecast needed to put forth a gigantic attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital forms of money. It isn't long that it would beat during the last year. As per the specialized investigation, the greater part of the contenders of Ethereum Classic, as well, didn't entrance the merchants by the same token. In any case, etc. cost consistency has attempted to show in itself a remarkable element to discuss. According to the Ethereum Classic cost forecasts, the cash build up some decent forward momentum because of its protection tag. A characteristic and regard that adjoins to every one of its financial backers. As a matter of fact, security is the sign of etc., which has been the middle phase of all money exercises acquiring overall acknowledgement. Nonetheless, the last year brought a great deal of great for Ethereum Classic. The cash kept its energy on the up and up. The year 2020 could have seen the etc. cost forecast floating around the $5.6 mark. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with $2 least cost and finished with the $7 greatest cost mark. Thus, it has helped the market feeling peculiarity definitely. The etc./USD forecasts from that point forward have begun drifting towards confidence than negativity. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on long-haul forecast of etc. development, following it intently. Thus the Ethereum Classic cost expectation for this entire year remains very uplifting, expressing that the future cost of Ethereum Classic value expectation could cross the $40 mark toward the finish of 2022. Allow us to check the information for Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022 to 2026. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2022. As indicated by Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022, notwithstanding the new drawback value development of practically all of the crypto coins, there are everyday schedule cost forecasts that etc. is ready for a rise over the course of the following couple of weeks. Following the ongoing cost-moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the particular cost range, It is apparent that the Ethereum Classic cost could keep on exchanging negatively according to the close to first half-term Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022. However, it is too soon to anticipate regardless of whether etc. value development will improve. What stays clear is that there is reason to have hope without a doubt toward 2022 in the transient send. It is anticipated to arrive at greatest level at $42. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer-term cost bullish pattern and specialized examination, when contrasted with Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022 has been strained from its way regularly every 2 or 3 years. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2023 in the long haul may not be ideal for etc. cost for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Ethereum Classic cost causing a misfortune or losing cash quickly yet just pitiful, exchanging around $45 and afterward hopping again up to $50, as per Ethereum Classic cost forecast 2023. Notwithstanding, this stays as a critical situation. Be more exact and involve complex instruments for a critical expansion in your benefit and wise speculation. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, it will be truly useful for the future expectation 2023 at the ongoing cost. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is indeed expected that etc. value expectation will lead the crypto business realm with the typical cost fixed presentation at $51, which shows etc. Ethereum Classic cost figure has the maximum capacity not exclusively to maintain yet reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as the etc. cost is anticipated to outperform $65 definitely. Chiefly on the grounds that this year, no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be headed for fix work in every world economy. With mass reception and Ethereum Classic cost gauge, the Ethereum Classic value forecast is assessed to arrive at the base cost of $48 by 2025. Ethereum Classic Price Predictions 2026. As per the etc. cost expectation for 2026, in the following long term, the cash will stay in a bullish pattern position. In addition, in view of future developments and mix could influence positive pattern on the general development of the Ethereum Classic, ETC, environment. By 2026, the cost of Ethereum Classic